Hello friends, in the previous video we have discussed about polynomials, then the basic concepts like remainder theorem, factor theorem, then geometrical representation of polynomials, etc. This video we will be rather interested in the algebraic side of the polynomials, that is division algorithm, then zeros, then coefficient, then how they are related. All these things we will see. So first we will see what is the relation between the zeros of the polynomial and the coefficients. Zeros, as we have already discussed in the last video, zeros means the roots of the polynomial. Root of the polynomial means the value of the x variable we have to assign so that the polynomial becomes a zero. For example, we will take a polynomial px equal to 2x plus 3. This is a polynomial of degree 1, yes, because the highest order of variable is 1. Okay, in this let us see, suppose we are equating 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Then what will be the value of x? We are taking 2x here, 3 we are taking to the other side so that it will become minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So minus 3 upon 2 is the value of x for which this polynomial is becoming 0. Or we can say that x is the 0 of the polynomial. X is the 0 of the polynomial, or another word is x is the root of the polynomial. So generally, if ax plus b is the polynomial of first degree and we are equating to 0, so x will be minus b upon a. So this is the root of the general polynomial ax plus b of degree 1. So what we have observed? We have observed that the value of x for which the polynomial is becoming 0 is directly related to the coefficients of the polynomial. Coefficients means the scalar multiples of the variables x. So this value of this 0 is directly related to the value of the coefficient. That is what we have observed. Okay, now we will take a quadratic polynomial. A general quadratic polynomial is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers, as you know from the definition of polynomial. So to find the roots or to find the zeros of this polynomial, we will equate it to 0. Now we assume that alpha and beta are the roots of this polynomial. If alpha and beta are the roots of this polynomial, then we know that x minus alpha will be a factor of this polynomial, because x minus alpha, if we put alpha here, alpha minus alpha is equal to 0, that will make this polynomial equation true. So x is equal to alpha means x minus alpha will be a factor of this polynomial. Similarly, if beta is a root of this polynomial, then x minus beta also will be a factor of this polynomial. Since it is a quadratic polynomial, we have already multiplying x 2 times, so there will not be any factor of x. But there can be a constant factor here. What is the coefficient here? Here a is the coefficient of x square in the original polynomial. When we multiply these two, we are getting x square only. So here it is ax square, here it is x square. So definitely a also we will have to multiply to equate to this, to the original polynomial. Clear? So a square plus bx plus c is the original polynomial, and we assume that alpha and beta are the roots. Since alpha and beta are the roots, x minus alpha and x minus beta will be factor. So x minus alpha into x minus beta is a factor. When we are multiplying these two factors, we are getting x square, but here it is a square, so a also we will have to multiply to equate to this polynomial. Okay, up to that clear. Now what we will do, we will multiply this, we will expand this left side. So a into x square minus alpha x minus beta x plus alpha beta equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, we will multiply this. Ax square minus a into alpha into x minus a into beta into x plus a into alpha beta equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, now we will equate the corresponding terms. A square, okay. What is x term here? Here x term is equal to minus of a into alpha plus a into beta x equal to here bx. So b is equal to minus a into alpha plus beta, or we can say alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Okay, now we'll equate this last term. A into alpha into beta is equal to c, or alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Now we have two interesting results here. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. This is a very important result we are going to use in our exercise and future problems. So if alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, or roots of the polynomial a square plus bx plus c, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c divided by a. Here again we found that the roots are directly related to the coefficient of polynomial. Okay, now this result we will try to see in an example. So let px be 6x square minus 7x minus 3. In previous classes we have studied how to split the middle term. So here I am doing that only. 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Minus 7x I have split into minus 9 and plus 2. So I can take here 3x outside. So 2x minus 3 into 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3 here. So here 2x minus 3 is there, here 2x minus 3 is there. I can take 2x minus 3 outside and 3x plus 1. Why this 1? Because here I have taken this 2x minus 3. So it is 2x minus 3 into 1 here. Okay. Now from this we can see 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or 3x plus 1 equal to 0 if this is equated to 0. So this is equated to 0 means either this term should be 0 or this term should be 0, or both should be 0. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 means x equal to 3 by 2. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So I have two roots for this equation. So they are alpha and beta. So this is alpha, this is beta. Now what is the value of a here? Ax square plus bx plus c. So here I can say a is equal to 6, b is equal to -7, don't forget the sign, and c is again equal to -3. So our roots are 3/2 and -1/3, and our coefficients are 6, -7 and 3. Now let us see whether this rule works out here. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to 3/2 plus -1/3 is equal to 6 is common. So 9 here -2 is equal to 7/6. What is minus b by a? Minus b by a is equal to minus of -7 divided by 6. That is equal to +7 divided by 6. Yes. So the rule is true here for alpha plus beta. Now let us see alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to 3/2 into -1/3. That is equal to -1/2, because 3 and 3 getting cancelled. What about c by a? C by a is equal to -3 divided by 6, and that is again is equal to -1/2. So we again found that alpha beta is equal to c by a. So this is a demonstration of the result what we have proved for the general equation ax square plus bx plus c. So I am repeating, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c, then the sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and the product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. What about cubic polynomial? What is cubic polynomial? Yes, a polynomial of degree 3 is cubic polynomial. For example, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is the general form of the cubic polynomial. Since it is a cubic polynomial and the highest degree of x is equal to 3, what we can say about the roots? How many roots will be there? Yes, there will be 3 roots. So let alpha, beta and gamma be the roots of this polynomial. Then, as we have seen in the case of quadratic polynomial, here also there is a relation between the roots and the coefficients. The relation is alpha plus beta plus gamma. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. This also we will demonstrate through an example in the exercise. At present we are not going to demonstrate this. Just remember this formula. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c by a. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. You can notice one thing, the sign is getting alternatively changed. So first is minus b by a, as we have seen in the case of quadratic polynomial. Then it is changing to positive sign c by a. Again it is going to the next coefficient. When it is going to the next coefficient, it is minus d by a. We will take an example of the cubic polynomial 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. So let px be this polynomial. what we are asked to do, we are given three roots, 3 minus 1 and minus 1 by 3. So these three are the roots of this polynomial, suppose. Now we have to prove this relation is true in this case. Okay, let us see. What is P3? P3 is equal to 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27. 27 into 3 is equal to 81. 81 minus 5 into 9, 45. 45 plus 33 plus 3, yes, is equal to 0. So 3 is a root, minus 1 is a root, minus 1 by 3 is a root. Okay. Now what is alpha plus beta plus gamma? Is equal to 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 by 3 is equal to, so I am taking a common denominator 3 here, so is equal to 9 minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to 5 divided by 3. What is minus b by a? Minus b by a is equal to minus of minus 5 divided by 3. Minus of minus 5 divided by 3. Minus of minus 5, we know it is plus 5. So it is 5 by 3. Yes. So first result is established. Then second result, what it is telling? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c by a. Okay, let us see. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to alpha beta gamma. So 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 upon 3 plus 3 into minus 1 upon 3, that is equal to minus 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So it's equal to 3 minus 9 plus 1 minus 3. So that is equal to minus 11 by 3. Okay, so this should be equal to c by a. What is c by a? C is equal to minus 11 here. C by a is equal to minus 11 divided by 3. Okay, so that also established there. Now we have to see the last result, alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma is equal to three into minus 1 into minus 1 by 3. 3 and 3 getting cancelled. Minus 1 and 1 minus 1 getting multiplied. We are getting 1 here. What about minus d by a? Minus d by a. Minus d by a is equal to minus of minus 3. That means minus of minus 3 by 3. Minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So we have demonstrated that this result is true for a polynomial with this example. Okay, now we have the concepts clear. Now with these concepts we are going to exercise 2.2. Okay, so first question, first sub question. So what is the first question? Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. It is x square minus 2x minus 8. X square minus 2x minus 8. So here a is equal to 1, b is minus 2, and c is minus 8. By middle term splitting, what we will get? X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8, or x into x minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 4. or x plus 2 into x minus 4. So x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 4. So these are the roots of this equation. Now what we have to prove? We have to see the relation between the coefficients and the roots. So these are alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 plus 4, that is equal to plus 2, minus b by a. So minus of minus 2 divided by 1, that is 2. So we have proved that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay, alpha beta is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 8. C by a is equal to minus 8 divided by 1 equal to minus 8. So both the results, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now second question is 4s square minus 4s plus 1, and you know very well it is similar to the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is a minus b the whole square. I will request you to pause the video here and just see the explanation. It is very simple. Now third question is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x, which we have already done while demonstrating the result. So we are moving to the fourth question. Fourth question is 4u square plus 8u. Okay, here a is equal to 4, b equal to 8 and c equal to 0. Factorizing, what you get is 4u into u plus 2. So for either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So 4u is equal to 0 means u has to be 0, or u plus 2 is equal to 0 means u equal to minus 2. So this is alpha, this is beta. Okay, so what is alpha plus beta? 0 plus minus 2, that is minus 2. This should be equal to minus b by a. What is minus b by a here? Minus 8 by 4 is equal to minus 2. Alpha beta is equal to 0 into minus 2, that is equal to 0. What is c by a? Since c is equal to 0 here, 0 by 4 is again equal to 0. Hence the result. Okay, next question is t square minus 15. So here a is equal to 1. There is no term, there is no coefficient for t. So b is equal to 0 and the constant term is equal to minus 15. Okay, this is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square is an identity equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this I can write as t plus root 15 into t minus root 15, so that t is equal to either minus root 15 or t is equal to plus root 15. This is alpha, this is beta. What is alpha plus beta? Yeah, clearly alpha plus beta is equal to minus root 15 plus root 15, both added together we are getting 0. What is minus b by a? Minus b by a is equal to 0 by 1, that is equal to 0. Alpha beta product of this is equal to root 15 into root 15 is equal to 15, minus into plus is equal to minus, so it's equal to minus 15. What is c by a? C by a is equal to minus 15 divided by 1 equal to minus 15. Hence the result. Okay, sixth question in 1, that is 3x square minus x minus 4. So a is equal to 3, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 4. By splitting the middle term, we can write it as 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. So x into 3x minus 4 plus 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4 I am taking outside into x plus 1. So x is equal to 4 upon 3, or x is equal to minus 1 here. So this is alpha and this is beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 3 plus minus 1. So 3 I am taking common here. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. What is minus b by a? Minus b by a is equal to minus of minus 1 divided by 3, that is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, what is alpha beta? Alpha beta is equal to 4 by 3 into minus 1, that is minus 4 by 3. What is c by a? C by a is equal to minus 4 by 3. Hence the result. Okay, now we are going to the second question. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers are the sum and product of its zeros respectively. So it is given that the sum of the roots is equal to 1 by 4 and the product of the roots is equal to minus 1. We know that when sum of the roots are given, x square minus alpha plus beta into x, so that minus b by a will be the sum of the roots plus alpha beta, so that c by a is equal to the product of roots. So this is the equation. Okay, we know that sum of the roots is equal to 1 by 4. So x square minus 1 by 4x plus minus 1, taking equal to 0. So taking 4 as a common denominator, 4x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. That means 4x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0. So this is question number 1. Question number 2, root 2 and 1 by 3. So this is alpha plus beta, this is alpha beta. So x square minus alpha plus beta, that is root 2 x plus alpha beta 1 by 3 equal to 0. Take 3 as common. So 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0 means equation is 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Third question, 0 and root 5. So alpha plus beta is equal to 0 and alpha beta is equal to root 5. So x square minus alpha plus beta is equal to 0 into x plus alpha beta is equal to root 5. So that means x square plus root 5 equal to 0. Fourth one is 1 and minus 1. So this is alpha plus beta and alpha beta is equal to 1. Again x square minus 1 into x plus 1. That means x square minus x plus 1. So this is the polynomial.